Hey, what's going on, everybody? Got the old Mongo Man out here in KJ's garage this morning. Rowdy's out here fixing his junk.
You got one? You got some guys in one?
Yeah, it's been running the whole time. That's a big bad V10, brother. That might not be a V10. That might be a 5.4. Memorial Day 2025, we decided to go ahead and dig into one of these golf carts. As you can see, this one is in pieces already. It came to us with a bad engine and a bad differential. I'm going to probably just rip the stuff out of my buggy and put in this one because the body on my buggy is getting really bad. Not that this one's much better, but I think that's the plan. Let me show you what we're doing here. So this is the motor that was in it. As you can see, it is a Kawasaki. And that particular engine right there is blowed up 100% for sure. So that one's coming out. Here's the differential over here. That differential is locked up. It will not turn. So that one's coming out, or is out, as you can see. And here is the underside of this thing. I've been sitting here trying to contemplate what I want to do. Whether I'm just going to hit this thing with a, whether I'm going to hit this thing with a needle scaler and just cover it with some paint, or actually break it all the way down and paint it. I don't know yet. KJ's going to be out of town next week, so I wanted to jump into a project that I could get done while he's gone. And well, our other buggy quit running today, but I think we have a fuel problem on it. We started this season with a fuel problem, so I wanted to get this one started and see what we could do with it. There's the motor plate out of it, tires, the exhaust, the bed, the rear fenders, everything else is over there. Yeah. So I got to get this done before the show, and that is the plan. That's what we're into. Let's see if I can hammer this thing out. All right, everybody, so the saga continues. We're back out here in Kenny's garage, and we've been busy today. We got the old engine from the old buggy, which is under here, into the new buggy. Got a lot of rust cleaned off of it. Got a lot of stuff done. Getting ready to head out of here. Gonna go get a shower, and we're gonna go to a birthday party, but let's see what we got done. So there is the old Cushman Commander, and this is a Cushman hauler. Essentially, this is a EZGO TXT, and I'm using a lot of parts from the TXT. I had to go buy these today. These were 3/8 on the EZGO, but all I could find was 1/2 inch, so that's what I'm using. But you can see here, I got just about everything in and hooked up. I checked this brake out. Got it all hooked up. It actually works again. Everything is free. This side over here, I haven't opened up yet, but I will. You can see I haven't got it hooked up, but I will before it's all over. We'll get this drum off and see what's going on inside of there. Got some stuff up front to hook up. I haven't hooked up anything up there. I don't know if you can see it. Got a brand new carburetor. Yep, see it there? Carb is new. Changed the oil in it, changed the spark plug in it, and got it all mounted up in there. So that one back there is probably gonna die, and this one's gonna live. You can see I hit all the rust with the needle scaler. The reason I haven't painted it yet is because we got 2 inches of rain yesterday, and I can't get it outside to power wash it before I paint it. So I decided to go ahead and put it all together, and once I'm done with it, we'll paint it then. All right, I'm gonna head into the house, get cleaned up, and next time you see me, we'll be bolting on this thing again.
And I believe in you.
You know the song. I don't believe that you're waiting for only those who congregate. I like the things that God is love. He's down below, he's up above. He's watching people everywhere. He knows who does and doesn't care. And I'm an ordinary man. Sometimes I wonder who I am, but I believe.